Hey everyone, this is Self-Made Millennial. I'm Madeline Mann. Today I'm giving you all the secrets on how to make your LinkedIn posts get more views and more engagement. I'm going to teach you some things about the LinkedIn algorithm that will be really helpful to make sure your posts are seen by more people, as well as psychologically what kinds of posts compel more people to engage with you. I will share a little secret of how I get my article to be seen by more people, as well as the #1 thing to post on LinkedIn if you want to get noticed. The last thing I'll say before we get really deep into the content is do not compare your engagement to anyone else's. We all have different sized networks, and so when you're tracking your progress, just track it against yourself, not other people. The first thing to know is that LinkedIn rewards native content. Native content means content that originates on that site. You're not linking out to somewhere else. Such as if I take a link from YouTube, post it on LinkedIn, LinkedIn will show it to my network and I'll get some engagement. But if I take a video, upload it directly to LinkedIn, LinkedIn will show that to a lot more eyeballs because they want to reward me for creating content on their platform and not encouraging people to link out and go to a different website. So to get more engagement, upload your videos directly to LinkedIn, as well as write your articles in LinkedIn Publisher instead of linking out to another blog or article. When posting articles on the LinkedIn Publisher, some things that I've noticed really get people more engagement are content that is very high quality. It's details, it has specific examples and screenshots and personal anecdotes. And of course, a fabulous attention-grabbing title always helps. And 2 quick tips on how to have a great title is 1, have a number in it. I know, it's just having numbers in the title makes more people click. As well as 2, show that you have a unique perspective. Such as, check out this article by Kyle Elliott. It is titled, "Why This Resume Resulted in 3 Job Offers in Just 1 Week." Perfect use of numbers. As well as the unique perspective is that not that many resumes get that many job offers in such a short amount of time. So it pulls the reader in. I took this little strat and applied it to myself when I wrote an article on cover letters, and I titled it, "I've read 1,000+ cover letters and this is what will get you the interview." So I included a number in there, as well as my unique perspective is that I'm the one reading all these cover letters. I realize this sounds a little bit clickbaity, but please don't hate. Don't hate the bait. And then my little secret is that I know that LinkedIn takes note of how many likes you get in the first few minutes and how quickly you're ramping up likes on a post. And so it's really important that in the very beginning of when you post something that you get that engagement quickly. So what I do behind the scenes is I text my friends saying, "Hey, I just posted this article. Can you please go like and comment on it?" Now that then jumpstarts the algorithm to notice, oh wow, all these people are coming in and liking this stuff. And if you look at the article, the vast majority of all the comments and likes are genuine. They're from people who were unprompted. But those people might have never seen the article if I hadn't had my friends kind of jumpstart the algorithm, push it out in front of them. And so that's a good little hack. So I barely ever do that to have people like my posts, but if you spent a ton of time on this blog post, it deserves to be seen. So I really encourage you to reach out to your friends to help you out. Now let's talk about how to post a status or an update on LinkedIn that will get engagement. Posting someone's article on LinkedIn isn't the best way to get engagement because people then have to click the article, go read it, come back, comment, so it just adds additional steps for them to engage with you. So you actually get more engagement if you type your post directly into LinkedIn in that 1,300 character limit. A few tips on how to post an update on LinkedIn is, while they do give you 1,300 characters, they only show the first 3 lines of what you're writing to people. So make sure you have a hook, like a pirate, that will compel them to click see more. Second, space out your text. Don't have it just be one big thick paragraph. That makes people's brains shut off. So separate it into different lines so it increases readability. Third, posts that perform well generally share a perspective, right? It's your opinion or your personal experience or an interesting observation. So here's an example of an update I did that got above average engagement for me. Remember, you only should be comparing yourself to yourself. So the only part that people see on their news feeds is who is teaching people to make their summaries generic buzzwords. I want names. And then they can click to read more, and you'll notice I've broken it up to 1 or 2 lines at a time with spacing to make it really easy to read. And here I'm providing a perspective, an opinion that then people started responding to and engaging with. Here's another example of a post I did. The first 3 lines are me opening up about the fact that I got YouTube haters. Now, while the last example is about an opinion, this is a personal experience where I'm just telling my story and then I end it by asking for advice. Opening up and asking for advice are such great ways to start a conversation with your network. And the number one thing that will get people to engage with your posts, to comment, to like, to, you know, share with their grandma is a success story. So if anything is going well in your life, it doesn't have to be huge. Maybe you finally got up your nerve to do a presentation in front of 100 people. You've never done a presentation in front of that many people before. Post about it. Or let's say you had a goal to read a book a month and you did it. Tell people, they'll be so happy for you. Get in the habit of sharing those great little victory moments with your network because honestly, they want to root for you. I started posting success stories here and there when you all send me messages about how you got the dream job you've always wanted or you got the promotion you hope for based on watching these videos. And so I posted them on LinkedIn and I was worried, you know, I was like, oh my gosh, are people gonna think that I'm conceited, that I have too much of an ego, that I'm bragging? But no, people have been so supportive. They've been so excited for me, so excited for those people who are pursuing their dreams. And I just want you all to get a piece of that feeling of everyone rooting for you. Well, I'll see you all on LinkedIn. I'll include my LinkedIn profile in the description if you want to connect with me, as well as please hit a like on this video and subscribe. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks so much, everyone. Wi-Fi high five.